Certain HTML elements already have default styling. For example, an unordered list has a default styling. Remember unordered lists where each element is listed one after the other and you have a dot symbol or a circular image before the element. So just as we see here. However, we can actually tamper with this and change the look in CSS. So of course, without CSS, this is the default look. But let's say you want to change the look for each list item. We go back to our CSS file, and aside from our strong and h1 element, we want to edit the behavior of the list element. So we write li. So this is the list item. So the attribute or property we want to change is called list style type. Now, I'm going to put it as decimal with leading zeros. So decimal with leading zeros are basically decimal numbers but leading zero. You can have upper Roman, you're familiar with this method, and we can have square or none. So let's say you don't even want any way of, indication. You can just set it to none, and then you have your list but no image to identify each list item. So this is to show how you can edit default behaviors using CSS.